we are in the laboratory and we will try to prepare the acetylene case. The material that is required, there is a bottle, and in the bottle there is a water, and also phenolphthalein. The phenolphthalein, the main purpose to use is this, that during the chemical reaction, as we saw, that acetylene and calcium hydroxide is produced during this chemical reaction. So gas we will collect through this drip pipe set, and calcium hydroxide that will be there, it will change their color. In other chemical, that is calcium carbide and the candle. So now start this chemical reaction. What happens? First we will add 2 or 3 drops of the phenolphthalein, so that we can indicate the color of the solution. So if it will change the color, then there it means that there's a gas. So let's see what happens. We put a small calcium carbide. Now see, look at this, the color changes. Color that is changed. Chemical reaction is happening. And color is changed. Ink color. And gas is going to be there. So now, catches fire. That's why we say acetylene is flammable gas. Now look at this. Look at this. Fantastic. Fantastic. Great. This is a great. And there's some. And also there's a garlic smell. And there's a calcium hydroxide. So if there's a calcium hydroxide in it, the phenolphthalein will change their color. Now look at it. Pink color. You have enjoyed this activity. If you have enjoyed your activity, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.